So today I'm gonna show you how to replace a board of engineered flooring. What you would want to do first is just to tape around that board. That will kind of give you the area that you want to work with, as well as avoid any splitting from the next board, and just avoid any damages around it. I'll be doing some cutting. I already put one line here, preferably on a saw that is connected to a dust collection system. I'm gonna put one cut here, and then a couple more here, one here and another one there. I'll make another video once that's done. That'll make it much easier for, especially if it's glued. Well, there you have it. 3 cuts. I'm hoping that's going to be enough. I just have to chip it away carefully. Well, I went and got my tripod. This only keeps getting better and better. I'm gonna carefully start. There you have it. You got your middle piece out. It makes it easier for you to work around it. And that's what we're gonna do. Now you have that, and what you want to do here is, after you make the cuts, work your way from the middle outwards. We're just going to clean this up a little bit. Just regular scraper, doing some of that old glue out. for that bottom side of the groove, you're gonna remove that. Just set your table saw blade to the height of it and rip it all the way across. So when you're putting the board in, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna push the tongue in, and then that groove is gonna fall in like a glove. Back, you're gonna be using this Boner R880 for our adhesive. Might always want to go with something that is hardwood flooring specific. That way it will give you the movement that you need, the flexibility, I mean, between the floor, subfloor, and the glue. So you're gonna spread on a pattern right there. Let's see, do I got enough glue? So that is probably enough glue. What I'm going to do is I'm going to trowel this glue in just to make sure it's spread evenly. See, so now that's the good thing. We want some more. And that's more like it. You see the ridges, I don't know if you can see from the camera, but you can see the trowel ridges much better now. Said it's in like a glove. Now you might want to put some weight here. That's what I'm gonna do. In a little bit, I'm gonna put some weight down, and now I just need to cut the next board to size. Let me take this trowel outside. Should go in like a glove. There you have it. Take your tape out. there is done.